In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install or update any Wi-Fi drivers in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now, first of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for Device Manager. Once you've typed that, you would be able to see a control panel called Device Manager. Please click on the Open option here to continue. The moment you click on it, in a few moments, you would be able to bring up this window, which is the device manager, where here you would be able to see the drivers that are relevant or that are important to your computer. So by that, please proceed or please locate for the network adapters. Once you find it, click on this forward arrow key and you need to select your Wi-Fi network adapter. Okay, so if you are currently connecting to the wireless Wi-Fi, then you can select this wireless LAN card. Or if you are connected to the network cable, then you can select the other one. So just identify your Wi-Fi network adapters. Once you've identified it, please make a right click while selecting it and click on Update Driver. So this will opt you to choose two options. Please proceed first with a search automatically for drivers, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then go and search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and your computer will search or will show you the updated drivers. All you need to do is you need to install that, and in that way you will be able to install or update your Wi-Fi driver. Okay? Another option that you can do is that you need to make a right click again, go with update driver, and go with browse my computer for drivers manually. So go with that, may pick from a list of available drivers, and then you can see there a compatible hardware. Select it, click on next. In that way, you'll be able to install that or update it in your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.